Welcome to Our Daily Health. Heart palpitations. 8 home remedies for heart palpitations. What are palpitations? What are the symptoms? What causes it? Palpitations are sensations of having a fast-beating, pounding, or fluttering heart. They feel like your heart is beating too fast, skipping beats, fluttering rapidly, pounding, or flip-flopping. Heart palpitations may be felt in your chest, neck, or throat. They can happen anytime when you are active or at rest. They don't last a long time and typically last a few seconds or minutes. They are common but can be quite terrifying at the moment. They are harmless and not serious and will often go away on their own. If the palpitations are accompanied by shortness of breath, dizziness, chest pain, or fainting, seek immediate medical attention. Stress and anxiety, medication, caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, physical exercise, pregnancy, and, in some rare cases, a medical condition may trigger them. In some cases, they are symptoms of a more serious heart condition, such as arrhythmia, which is an irregular heartbeat that may require medical treatment. Sometimes, you may experience heart palpitations after a large meal rich in carbohydrates, sugar, fat, nitrates, sodium, or monosodium glutamate, MSG. If you experience palpitations after eating certain foods, it could be due to food sensitivity. Make use of a food diary to identify the foods to avoid. People at high risk of heart palpitations are those who are highly stressed, have anxiety or regular panic attacks, are pregnant, on medication that contains stimulants, have an overactive thyroid gland, hyperthyroidism, or have a heart condition. Palpitations can be managed and controlled by making some simple lifestyle changes. Heart palpitations. 8 home remedies for heart palpitations. Number 1. Relaxing techniques. Stress can have many negative effects on a person's overall health. It can trigger or worsen heart palpitations as it causes a spike in the production of adrenaline. Using relaxing techniques to manage the palpitations is helpful. Good options include meditation, tai chi, deep breathing, journaling, spending time outdoors, exercising, and taking short breaks when working or studying. You should work on relaxing throughout the day and not only when you feel your heart racing or palpitations. Try to take 5 deep breaths every other hour to help keep you relaxed and calm in your mind. Maintaining your general stress levels low can lower your rest heart rate and prevent episodes of heart palpitations over time. Number 2. Perform vagal maneuvers. The vagal nerve performs various functions, including connecting your brain to your heart. Vagal maneuvers stimulate the vagal nerve, and stimulating it can aid in calming down heart palpitations. Vagal maneuvers can be done at home, but you should get your doctor's approval before performing them. Examples of vagal maneuvers are holding the breath and pushing down as if making a bowel movement, coughing, gagging, and chanting the word Om. You can also take a cold shower or bath, splash cold water on your face, or place an ice pack or cold, damp towel on your face for 20 to 30 seconds as the shock of the cold water helps stimulate the vagal nerve. It is recommended to perform these maneuvers while lying down. Consult your doctor to receive advice on how to perform these techniques correctly. Number 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration causes the body to work harder to circulate blood, and this can lead to heart palpitations. Your blood becomes thicker when dehydrated, as the blood contains water. The heart has to work harder to circulate the thicker blood through your veins. This can result in a higher pulse rate and potentially lead to heart palpitations. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day, even if you are not feeling thirsty. The general recommended amount is 8 glasses of water daily, but this may vary depending on age, sex, rate of physical activity, and whether the person is pregnant. You should drink a full glass of water if your heart rate increases, your urine is dark, your mouth is dry, you feel thirsty, you have a headache, or you feel dizzy. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 4. Maintain an electrolyte balance. Electrolytes are compounds in the body that help move electrical signals throughout the body. These electrical signals play an important role in maintaining the proper functioning of the heart. Electrolytes that boost your heart health include potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium. These electrolytes can be increased by eating foods that are rich in them. Potassium-rich foods include avocados, bananas, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Dark leafy greens and dairy products are examples of foods rich in calcium. Magnesium can be found in dark leafy greens, nuts, and fish. Most regular diets provide enough sources of sodium. Supplements may be used to help maintain electrolyte balance, but consult with your doctor before taking any new supplements. Number 5. Regular exercise. Physical exercise plays an important role in maintaining your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. It can benefit your overall cardiovascular health and restore the heart's natural rhythm. It can also help manage stress and anxiety. Cardiovascular exercise can make the heart stronger, which will prevent or reduce heart palpitations. It is recommended to have 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity every week or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity every week. Good options include brisk walking, swimming, jogging, running, and cycling. Physical exercise may trigger heart palpitations in some cases. Number 6. Eliminate or reduce your stimulant intake. Substances that are stimulants are likely to trigger heart palpitations. Removing these substances from your daily routine may reduce or even eliminate your symptoms. These substances include tobacco products, caffeinated foods and beverages, alcohol, certain cough and cold medications, appetite suppressants, some high blood pressure medications, and certain drugs used to treat mental health conditions. The triggers for heart palpitations will be unique to everyone. Have a list of all the things you consume that may result in heart palpitations. Stay away from the things you suspect are causing your symptoms and see if the symptoms will stop. Number 7. Hawthorn berry extract. Hawthorn berry extract is an important ingredient in traditional Chinese medicine that is used to treat digestive issues and high blood pressure. It is believed to be able to help with heart palpitations as well. Some studies show that using hawthorn berry extract on its own will reduce heart palpitations. However, there is conflicting evidence on the effect of hawthorn as it may increase the progression of heart disease. Hawthorn should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women or children. Consult your doctor before using hawthorn berry extract as it may interact with some heart medications. Number 8. Use Valsalva maneuvers. A Valsalva maneuver is a type of breathing technique that helps return your heart rate to a normal level when experiencing heart palpitations. It is performed by pinching your nose and closing your mouth. Then, attempt to exhale and bear down as if having a bowel movement. Repeat these steps for 10 to 15 seconds. Perform this maneuver when you experience symptoms of palpitations. Bottom line, cases of heart palpitations are common and are not considered serious unless you have an underlying heart condition. Inform your doctor if you are experiencing heart palpitations. However, they may not require any medical treatment beyond a few lifestyle changes. Staying away from triggers of palpitations will help reduce or eliminate your symptoms. These simple remedies can help manage symptoms of heart palpitations and reduce their occurrence. Which of these home remedies for heart palpitations do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.